Enumerations allows you to assign descriptive values to a variable. This makes your code more readable and maintainable. You can declare an enumeration with the keyword enum, followed by a descriptive name. Then, in the block, specify the words you want associated with this enum, separated with commas. Here, we declared the enum outside of a class. This means it will be visible to other classes in the project as well. You could declare it inside a class if only that class needs to use it. Alternatively, if you have many enums, you could create a separate CS file where you declare all your enums for the project. To use the enum, declare a variable of the enum type and assign one of its values to it. When you display the variable, it will show the word from the enum list. Also, you can use the enum type to do comparisons. When you declare an enum, C# will automatically assign a value to each element, starting from 0. This means you can also assign to an enum type variable by casting a numeric value to the enum type. On a side note, if you were to cast a value that is not in the enum list, the variable will use that value as its content. So in this case, if I cast the value 15 to the day of week variable, it would display as 15 and hold the int value of 15. On the flip side, you can display the numeric value of the enum variable by using a cast. If you require specific values for the enum elements, you can simply assign a value to the elements in the declaration. If you do not assign a value to every enum element, the enum will take the value of the previous element and add one to it for the next element. Here, we only assigned a value to Wednesday. The enum starts at 0, adding 1 for every consecutive element, then gets to Wednesday. It assigns 11 to it, then continues adding 1 for every element that follows after that until it reaches another assignment or the block ends. Now the value of Friday changed to 13. As a demonstration, we'll show you how to add your enums into a single CS file so they are available throughout your project. Start by adding a new class to the project. We'll call our class MyEnums. In the new class, remove the default class definition and add all your enums. Now you can use your enums in any of your classes. Enumerations can be used for binary flags. This is very handy when you want to set multiple values on a single variable. Here we turn an enum into binary flags by first decorating it with the flags attribute above the definition. Next, we need to set the value of each element in the enum to a bit position, so powers of 2. In the comments, you can see the bit position of each value. You set a flag enum's value just like a normal enum variable. But now, in line 20, we use a bitwise OR operator, indicated by the pipe character, to set 2 of the bits on. The variable attr now have 2 properties turned on, system and hidden. Let's confirm this by displaying the variable. You can check if a flag variable has a flag turned on by using its hasFlag method. And of course, you can turn one of the variable's flags off by doing a bitwise AND with the inverse of the flag's value, indicated with a tilde. Let's check the result. It first confirmed that the variable's system flag is turned on, then after removing the system flag, only the hidden flag remained on. Thank you for watching our video. For more tutorials on C#, hit subscribe and click the reminder. Give us a like so the video can be visible to more people.